In the 21st century, strategic partnerships play a crucial role in shaping global affairs. And the relation between India and Japan is the perfect example of how two democratic nations can work together for mutual growth, stability, and peace in the Indo-Pacific. So, Jai Hind to all. Today, I am here to speak on India-Japan relations. India and Japan have shared very warm and friendly relations for many decades. Both countries are democratic nations which believe in rule of law, equality, freedom, and respect for international laws. The diplomatic relations between both nations started in 1952, which further developed into strategic partnership in 2006 and later on specific strategic partnership in 2014. Today, both nations are cooperating in many areas. The areas where both nations are cooperating are the first and foremost is economic cooperation. Japan is India's one of the largest investors. It has supported major infrastructure projects in our country like the Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor that is also called the first bullet train of India, and the second one is Mumbai-Delhi industrial corridor. Along with this, about 14,000 Japanese companies are operating in India, and the bilateral trade between India and Japan was more than $25 billion in 2025. The second one is defense and security. Through the exercise Dharma Guardian, the military of both nations are strengthening their cooperation, and with the help of exercise GMAX, both are cooperating in the field of maritime security. Along with this, both nations are part of Quad Group, which aims to promotes a free and peaceful Indo-Pacific. Along with this, Japan has always supported India in green energy, semiconductor, and many more emerging economies. And the recent visit by the Japanese Prime Minister Sanae Takachi also highlighted the importance of relations between both nations. However, there are some challenges also. Despite having strong relations, the trade is less compared to its full potentials, and also the delays, infrastructure projects, and the conflicts in Indo-Pacific affecting relation of both nations. So, in the conclusion, with India and Japan's the strong relations between India and Japan is important for not just for both countries, also for the Indo-Pacific regions. By working together on emerging technologies like AI, semiconductor, they can prosper the Indo-Pacific region. Thank you.